Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE dishwasher fill funnel service kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new fill funnel service kit. The fill funnel service kit is where the water comes into the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off. And then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down. And then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and pull the lower rack out. All you have to do is reach in and grab it, pull it out. Just lift it off and set it aside. The fill funnel is located on the left-hand side. There's a big nut right here. We're just going to use the pliers to loosen it up. Once you have it loose, you can just reach in and unscrew it and pull the nut out. Once you have the nut off, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws to hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and carefully use it to start to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. Once you have it out far enough, you can just grab the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Now that we have access to the fill funnel, it's really only held in by this drain hose that runs across it. So we're just going to carefully pull it out. And we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help take the hose off. Once you have it off, you can pull the fill funnel off the dishwasher. Here's the old fill funnel service kit next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new fill funnel in, we're going to snap the top on that has the hose fitting. You just have to line it up and snap it into place. They're two different sizes, so you really can't mess it up. Once you have it snapped on, we can put it in the dishwasher. Before we put the fill funnel on, we're going to open up the door so we can reach in and put the nut on. Just want to carefully open it. And then we're going to grab the hose. All you have to do is push the hose onto the fitting, make sure it seats all the way. Then we're going to put the fill funnel into the hole in the side, hold it in place while we reach inside and put the nut on. Once you have it snug, we're going to grab the pliers and tighten it down so you get a good seal. Once you have the nut tightened down, we can close the door. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws to hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now we can put the lower dish rack back in. All you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.